Punta tayo sa Nike, guys. Parang yung sapatos na gusto ni Miss galing Nike. So, tingnan natin kung ano meron sila. Malaki tong Nike dito compared sa mga nadaanan namin sa Myeongdong at saka sa Hongdae. Yung gusto ni Miss, napaka-colorful. She sent me a picture of the shoes that she likes. How much is that? So, ito, Air Force 1. 139,000. Hindi siya naka-sale. So, yan yung presyo. 139,000 won. Ang cute ng puti, oh. 139,000 won. So, yung mga Air Force nila, 139,000 won lahat. Danny boy. Check nga yung basketball shoes. Is it good, babe? Ooh, this is nice, Danny. That looks really cool, babe. How much is that? Is that 1 million? No. 111,200. 111,200. Over yung 1 million. 111,200. That's nice. Yeah. Which one do you want, babe? Oh, this one's nice, babe. Or this one. Na. Jumpman. Oh, look. Maliit at malaki. 135,200. So, mas mura yun. 111,000 mas mura. Jordan yan, di ba?
You like this?
Yeah. That's nice for you? Yeah. Do you like it? Go for it. How much?
119.
Yeah. Sige. Nice. That will go with your outfit today as well. Sige nga. Try it. Sige na. Try it. Ang lakas ng music, guys. Pero try yan ni Dan. Kinuha ni Kuya, size 10. Ooh, nice. Huwag mong sirain. Yeah, really nice, babe. Do you want to go 10 and a half?
Yeah, I think I'll go for $10.
Yeah?
So they're a little tight here.
Where?
They're like tight there. Yeah.
Very nice, sir. Very good. Come here. Want to see? Or do you want me to loosen it up more? I'll loosen it up. Ah, thank you. Yep. Thank you. Punta tayo, guys. Gusto kong bumili ng t-shirt na ganito, oh. Pero walang bling-bling. Gusto ko normal lang. Yan. 40,000. Yan. Magkano yun? 48. Pepsi. Ah, ang cute nito, babe. Pero puti. Gusto ko puti. Ooh, I like this one. Gusto ko yung kulay na yan. 48,000. Naka 50% off ka ba? Or ito lang? Ito lang ata yung naka 50% off. Is that 50% off as well? Or just this?
Selected styles.
Select styles, yeah. So is it this whole rack? Okay. Tinanong namin si ate, guys, and 50% off nga talaga siya. So yung kukunin ko is yung white version nito. Nandito siya, guys. Ay, ganda nyo. Oh. Wait, tago natin. Di ba ang cute? Los Angeles. Ano siya? From 48, 24.
Last one.
Last one? Okay. Yung bibilhin ko white na naman. Siguro pang 5 white ko na yun. Sabi nila, no more white please. So, magtingin tayo sa black. Oh, okay. Can you see?
Not really. Barely.
Really cool. Look. Magkano siya? 50. nandito kami sa bus. Kasi naligaw kami. Yung, inano ko siya kanina, chinek ko yung directions. Yung naklik ko pala is bus, hindi train. So, yung binasihan ko na lugar kung saan kami magsastop is yung bus stop na lugar. So, nag-train kami, pero yung binasihan namin na nasa map is bus. Anyway, so yun, nandito kami sa bus. Ang pinabayad ni Kuya, 2,000 para sa amin dalawa. Hindi talaga namin alam kung nasaan na kami, guys. Pero ito ang aming mga nakikita.
There's some great old stuff there.
Yeah. Mga ano, second hand. Tingnan nyo, nakaano lang sila. Ano, may mga bags, babe. Market yun, babe. Do you wanna go there,
I
mga?
love this junk, yes.
Gusto. Gusto yan ni Dani, mga vintage, mga antique. Sana no, right direction tong pinupuntahan natin. Babe, can you see the oink oink? Yeah.
Yeah.
Right there. Looks like a lechon. Guys, nakarating na kami dito sa meat market. Mali, yung inano namin, pinuntahan namin. So, bumaba kami ng bus. Tapos, we will cross here and then just catch a taxi. Ayun ay, may dalawang taxi ay. Kasi pagod na ako. Kakao.
You can talk to a taxi driver though.
Well, there's an address on my phone. Hey guys, kakababa lang namin ng ano taxi. Finally, malapit na kami sa ano. Sobrang traffic kasi. So bumaba na lang kami doon kasi nakita na naman namin kung nasan yung Days Hotel. Oh, like who's that? Did you see that? I'll show you later. Agay. May nakita ako. Sabi ko, sino yan? May mga pagganap silang ganyan, guys. Meron pa isa eh. I was like, who the heck is that? Room tour tayo, guys. Sobrang bilis lang nito. Mga 20 seconds lang to. 4:08. Dito tayo. Maliit na kwarto lang. Yan. Meron tayo ditong closet. Ayan. Safe. Chanelas. Minibar. Fridge. Yan. Kato. Tubig, dalawa. And toilet. Meron pala ditong ano. Parang study area, ganun. Toilet. Uy. Oh. How do we turn on the toilet? Oh, there you go. Oh, it's clean, huh?
Yeah,
It's really good. At least malaki yung toilet. Ooh, I like the big mirror. Hello, people. Annyeonghaseyo. And then dito, shower. Uy, maganda yung shower. Malaki. Okay na to. Meron sila dyan. Anong libre nyo? Sanitary bag, toothbrush. Yay! They have toothbrush, babe. Kumuha kami ng toothbrush dun sa kabila kasi akala namin wala dito. Pero meron naman. Sabon. Yun lang. Yes, and the bed. Ano lang naman kami dito. Uuwi kami dito para matulog. Ganun lang naman. Alam nyo ba, yung sapatos, masakit sa paa. Well, ilang oras din naman akong lakad ng lakad tapos bago siya. So, parang expected ko na siya. Pero, yeah, hindi ko na siya kayang suotin. Or siguro magpapalit ako ng medyas. Or, hindi ko na kayang suotin siya. Masakit siya sa paa. Guys, kanina pa kami nandito sa hotel. Chill-chill lang kami. I-try ko to. Binili namin to sa Line Friends. 1,500 won, I think it was. Real potato stick. Yan. Yang batang yan. Nag-start ako mag-pack. 2 nights lang kami dito eh. So, tonight and then tomorrow night. Tapos, check out na kami. So, kung iisipin talaga, bilis lang no. Lapit na. And pagod na ako. Pagod na ako kakalakad. Walang tigil. Wala. It's different. Yum. Gusto ko to, yes. Bali, iba-ibang character. Iba-iba yung chip nila. So, siya yung potato. So, siya yung pinili ko. And then, yung isa, merong tiramisu. Basta, iba-iba. Grabe ang ingay ng flash. Guys, we are about to go out. Pero sabi ni Dan, mag-birthday greeting muna kami kay Kuya TJ. Naghanap siya ng picture. Wala kasi kami yung picture ni Kuya. Ready?
Ready? Alright. Don't do the talking?
No, happy birthday. Let's sing. Are we singing?
Alright, cool. Are you just doing like this?
Yeah.
One,
Video.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, TJ.
Kuya TJ.
Happy birthday to you.
Hooray!
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 Happy birthday! Hello!
I do, because it was going over. It was going to be another thing. Is that a
Well-
bubble tea?
No, I don't want it. I don't like Gongcha bubble tea. They want bubble tea? Get one!
That's okay.
Punta tayo Myeongdong. Myeongdong and bro. Punta tayo Myeongdong, guys. Tingnan natin yung mga sapatos-sapatos doon. Si Miss hindi nag-reply. Tinanong ko siya ano gusto niya sapatos. Bahala siya. Na-delete kasi yung ano, may nag-send siya sa akin ng picture, na-delete ko. Diba? Ang galing ko. Guys, yung ang ingay. Ay, mamaya na. Okay, punta tayo dito sa jdsports.co.kr. JD Sports. Ayan, ang daming tao. Tapos may music, guys. Dito kami sa juniors, guys. Mga Adidas. Tingnan natin yung mga presyuhan. So, yan. 99,000 won galing. Ngayon, 69,000 won na lang. Ito, cute siya, oh. Yan. Maganda yung kulay, no? Ito, Nike. 89.79 na lang. Air Force 1. Naka-sale dito. Yung kanina hindi naka-sale. Ito cute din, oh. Puti lang. Magkano to? Walang presyo. Secret. Cute yan, guys, oh. Yung ganyan. Or yung puti. Maganda, oh. King trainers. Magkano, babe? 169,000 won. 169,000 won to. Cute, oh. Komportable yan. Sure ako. Mga ganyan. Ganyan itsura. Guys, feeling ko ito yung gusto ni Miss. Feeling ko lang, ha. Parang sa natatandaan ko. Nike ba to? Is this Nike, babe?
Yep.
Yeah, Nike. Feeling ko ito yung gusto ni Miss. Magkano to? 179,000 won. Parang bago ata yan, eh. Feeling ko yan yung gusto niya. Grabe talaga yung mga bet niya. Napaka-colorful. Meron ding ganito. Medyo pastel-pastel. Oh, guy, mas mahal to. 219,000. Parang yung mga bago hindi nakasil kasi syempre bago pa sila. Oh, ang cute nito, babe. Oh. Ang cute ng kulay. Yan, hindi ata naka-sale din. Yung mga naka-sale, lalagyan nila ng ganyan, offer, tapos may was, at saka ngayon na price. So, ito guys, sobrang daming socks dito. Ang cute. And usually, tag-ano siya, 1,000 won each. Tapos, 10 plus 1. So, 10,000 won for 11 pieces. Gusto ni Miss Minion. Bilhan natin si Miss Minion. And she likes Pikachu as well. Ito, maganda to, oh. Yan, meron siyang sa likod din. Okay. Let's get socks. Kailangan natin ng 11. Ito lang, may hirapan tayo maghanap ng 11. Kasali ba to sa 11? Is this included in the 11? Thank you. Guys, we have 1,000 won. 1,000 won. Let's try. Where do you put the money? Eh?
Yep.
Put the money.
And press the button when you want to, where you want to get.
Where do you want to? What do you want?
I mean, you might be able to get that one. You might be able to get the monkey over there.
Wait, monkey, this one?
Yeah.
That's too far.
Okay, or the dog. The dog right there. You got nothing.
I haven't even pressed
Oh, you
it.
took too long, maybe.
No.
Maybe it was like a time limit.
What the heck?
That's all we got.
Tsaka
Tsaka.
Guys, nandito kami sa Chicken and Beer. Nandito siya sa Myeongdong. Nandito siya sa parang 3rd floor. Yung pinakailalim niya parang mini mart or something. Sabi ni ate, i-press ko lang daw to kung ready na kami mag-order. Pero maya na. Si Dan lang yung napanong, gusto ko lang ng chicken kasi diba Korean fried chicken, KFC, Sungwon. O ayan o. Ayan, meron na siyang translation. Kagabi, nagpunta kami ng Hongdae, diba? Tapos, ihing-ihi na kami. Wala masyadong toilet, guys, kapag pumunta ka sa mga market. So, nakahanap kami ng parang pub. Kailangan mong bumili. So, bumili kami ng... Which one did you get? This one? Ito. Wag, sobrang pangit ng lasa, as in. Binili namin siya 4,000 won, tapos umihi kaming dalawa. Tinikman ni Dan, iniwan niya dun. Kasi, tsaka lasa.
No, chaka.
Sobrang tsaka, right, babe?
It was very chaka.
Nakabili pala kami ng socks. Sobrang dami. Kasi ano eh, 11 for 10,000. So, dinalawa namin, dalawang sets.
Are you happy with
Chicken. Yes, that one.
just a normal one? Or do you want it with like a secret sauce?
Nah.
Just normal?
Yep.
Okay. I'll go the Korean beer because you just gotta do it because it's Korean.
Okay. Sige.
Press button?
Yes, please.
What are you drinking?
Did you press the button already? Hindi pa natin alam.
Maybe they only got chicken and beer. Maybe they don't have anything else. Maybe you gotta have a beer.
Non-alcohol, oh. Coke, grapefruit, blueberry. Okay, let's see.
Order?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Do you have rice?
Yeah.
Oh, you do? Perfect. Grab this one.
This one?
Yep.
Okay.
Or do you want the boneless one? No, we want the we're on
Yeah,
boneless.
that one.
Yes,
This
please.
one?
Yes,
Okay.
please.
Yes, thank you.
And one cas.
One cup?
And then for my drink, I'll go the grapefruit.
Grapefruit 8?
8, yes.
Okay.
Do you have
And-
Wi-Fi as well?
One?
And 1 serving of rice.
Rice?
Yes, thank you. Ay, meron silang rice. Dito na yung ating order.
There's a lot of chicken.
And meron na agad tayong ano. Meron na agad what do you call that? Bill. Okay. Meron din silang ano guys, plastic para sa kamay. Ito sa gilid. Ito oh. Yan. You don't wanna use this? Okay. Meron ako rice. Ito. Kain tayo
This
guys.
wasn't good actually, babe.
Is it? Yeah. Kain tayo. Naalala ko to, uy, ko nung kumakain ako ng college, ganito, yung kamay. Gawan the wings. Parang ako lang ata dito yung nag-order ng rice. Rice is mine. Ooh, Korean fried chicken. Is it good? Like really good?
I like fried chicken. It's fried chicken.
Which one's better, this or Jollibee?
Jollibee.
Oh. Yeah, mas masarap Jollibee guys, pero masarap din siya. Kasi yung Jollibee, maybe because of the gravy. Jollibee's gravy,
Do you want the sauce, babe?
it's a bit spicy, the sauce. Ang ingay. Hinahanap ko yung shoes ni Miss. Wala naman dito. Labas tayo. Ay, wait. 109. 109. Doon sa labas sa ABC Mart, meron sila dito guys, oh, tag 30% off. Ayan, naka-display sa labas. Meron din, oh, yung mga gusto niyan. Hala, 59,000 won na lang yan, oh. Galing 129. Okay na kayo. Yan din, yung yung Adidas. Wait sa. Naka-sale siya guys. 109, 59 na lang. Yan. At saka ito. Ayan, 69. Di ba uso yan ngayon? Yung mga ganyan. And then ito. Adidas. 59,000 na lang. Let's go to that. So, ito guys, sa folder naman siya. Meron ko, 59. Adidas din. Ito guys, Fila, new arrival daw, 69,000. Mag-on siya. Yan. Pasok tayo, ang ingay ng music. Lahat na napuntahan namin dito sa folder yung pinakamaraming tao. Over yung pinakamarami. Pero marami silang tao ba compared sa iba. Ang laki ng sale, oh. 65% from 109, 39 na lang. Kung bet nyo yung mga ganyang kulay. Ayan. 33% off, 79. Dito din. Ah, ito babe. Really light. Dito kami sa... Hindi ko alam. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Pero bili ako ng konti. Ito yung pinili ko guys. Gray. Kasi sabi ni Dan maganda yung gray. 30,000 yan. Diyan kami guys, Lensme. Ang daming options. Tapos meron silang mga iba-iba. 1 day, 1 month, 6 months. So, tanungin mo lang sila kung ano gusto mo and then papakita nila sa'yo kung saan mo siya hanapin. Guys! Naiwan ko kayo.
Okay, I'm not sure where the hotel is.
Last update ko was
This is what
nung
it says.
nagpunta kami sa shoes. Eh, ang dami na namin pinuntahan after ng shoes. Like, nakapag-shopping na kami ni Dan. And pumunta kami dun sa parang mini-mart na nagbebenta ng mga almonds. And ang dami namin binili. Naiwan ko siya dun. Naiwan ko kayo dun sa counter. Tapos lakad-lakad na kami. Siguro mga 10. We walked for like 10 minutes before we realized that we lost it.
I don't.
Sabi niya sa akin, huwag mo kasi ako ipa-prank-prank na naiwan mo yung phone mo, na naiwan mo yung camera. Yan tuloy na totoo na karma daw ako. Ako rin na karma. Lagi ko kasi siyang pinaprank, hindi lang na-vlog. Lagi ko siyang pinaprank na, hala, asan yung phone ko? Tapos hala, asan yung camera ko? Lalo na kapag overseas kami, natataranta si Dan kasi what if nga talaga naiwan ba? Sabi niya, sige, kapag yan nagkakatotoo, hindi na ako maniniwala sa iyo. Pero naniniwala pa din siya. Nakukuha ko talaga siya lagi. And pauwi na kami. Anyway, binalikan namin ang tinago ni Kuya.
Hotel's right there.
Pwede? Okay. Binalikan namin kayo guys, ang tinago ni Kuya. So thank you Kuya, thank you mga Kuya. Right babe?
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Anyway, that's it for this vlog. Kasi gabing-gabi na. Kakauwi pa lang namin ng hotel. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys.
Focus.
Bye guys.
If we don't lose the camera in the meantime.
Karma? Karma. Bye guys. Good night. Be good. Mwah.